Have you dreamed of stepping into the wizarding world? Not just watching it, but actually living it? Well, now you can. Welcome to Harry Potter Vision of Magic right here in Singapore for its Asian premiere. This self-guided, multi-sensory art experience brings hidden magic to life through light, sound, and interactive storytelling. With a wand in hand, you'll uncover secrets, reveal visions, and transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. The journey lasts about 60 minutes, and I promise you, every single room is spellbinding. Let's begin the adventure. Before the journey begins, cast members introduce us to our wands, the key to unlocking hidden magic throughout the experience. A short video then sets the scene, pulling us into the wizarding world and preparing us for what's ahead. With wand in hand and a quick practice, we are ready to step into our very first stop, the chaotic, magical night bus. Get ready for pure chaos. The walls stretch and twist with optical illusions. Purple lights flicker that seems like as if the whole bus might tip over. When we sat on the bed, the vibrations made it feel like we were actually hurtling across the street. Wild, unpredictable, and absolutely magical. As we get off the night bus, guess where do we end up? A place that holds more secrets than any wizard can ever imagine. The 12 Grimmuald Place, the secret headquarters of the Order of the Phoenix. The atmosphere here is dark and heavy, with whispering portraits and enchanted objects tucked into corners. With your wand, you can reveal hidden secrets in the Black family home, bringing its mysterious walls to life, like this family tree here. Did you know Bellatrix Lestrange was a cousin of Sirius Black? Hidden behind the curtains of Grimmuald Place lies power even greater, deep in the halls of wizarding authority, the Ministry of Magic, the governing body of the wizarding world. There are 3 ministries we can visit here, vast, grand, and full of order. Yet beneath the surface, you can sense secrecy. You see towering columns, enchanted documents, and you can interact with the magical bureaucracy of the wizarding world. It's both dazzling and a little intimidating. Look at this iconic phone booth. It's not just a photo spot, but there's secret that lies behind it. If you worked at the Ministry, which department would you join? Auras, magical creatures, or maybe even the Department of Mysteries? Speaking of mysteries, beyond the Ministries lies one of the most haunting rooms in all of magic, a place where whispers hold the future, the Hall of Prophecy. Few places are as mysterious as the Hall of Prophecy. This is chamber within the Department of Mysteries on level 9 of the British Ministry of Magic in London that holds records of prophecies. Stretching endlessly, shelves are lined with glowing orbs, each holding secrets of the future. Walk through the darkness and listen closely. The whisper seems to call your name.
Wizard, it has me his name. Come live while the others survive.
The Dark Lord will mark him as his one, but he will vanquish the Dark Lord
Would you dare to pick up your prophecy orb if you have one and hear your future? Or would you leave it untouched? Now, not all secrets are meant to be uncovered. Some lie hidden in the shadows of stone and serpent. Do you recognize this ominous stone door? Step through and you'll immediately plunge into the depths of the Chamber of Secrets. Stone serpents line the chamber, their eyes following you as the room glows with an unsettling green light. The air feels heavier here, thick with mystery and danger. Suddenly you notice movement. The basilisk slithering through the pipes. A chilling reminder that only the heir of Slytherin can command it. And there, looming before you, is Salazar Slytherin's massive stone face. The hiss of Parseltongue seems to echo in the chamber, making this one of the most haunting rooms of the entire experience. Just as darkness threatens to consume you, the magic shifts to something far more whimsical. Here, we're transported to wander. Newt Scamander's Menagerie is alive with magical creatures. With every corner, beasts peek out playfully. Nifflers, bowtruckles, and more. I love all the interactive magic spots here, and the environment feels so warm and alive. A reminder of the beauty of magical creatures and Newt's devotion to them. It's one of the most delightful parts of the journey. Which magical creature would you adopt from Newt's collection? A mooncalf, thunderbird, or something else entirely? As we journey on, we discover that not all corners of the Wizarding World are so welcoming. Let's slip into the shadows. Welcome to Knockturn Alley, the hidden area of London's Diagon Alley where the dark arts thrive. Here, the cobblestones glisten as if slick with secrets, and every crooked storefront tempts you with cursed artifacts and forbidden magic. The air hums with unease, as though unseen eyes are tracking your every move. It's a place where curiosity feels dangerous, and danger feels irresistible. Above, the mark of the Death Eaters burns faintly in the sky, a chilling reminder of the power that once ruled these streets. And from the shadows, we stumbled into a place that always gives you exactly what you need. The Room of Requirement. This ever-changing chamber is alive with possibility. Players of Hogwarts Legacy will recognize this as the personal sanctuary, where you can grow magical plants, brew powerful potions, upgrade gears, and even care for mystical beasts. But its history runs deeper. It once served as Dumbledore's army's secret training ground and as a refuge for those in hiding. With every flick of your wand, the room transforms. Walls shift, artifacts materialize, and the impossible becomes possible. From dragon eggs to the sorting hat to even the mirror of Erised, you never know what the room might reveal, always giving you exactly what you need and when you need it. Next, we face the magical obstacle guarding the Sorcerer's Stone, the trap door. We're thrust into a few chambers that's protecting a treasure. From fluffy looming presents to the enchanted devil's snare, you're thrust right into the challenges that Harry, Ron, and Hermione once faced. It's thrilling, tense, and makes you feel like you're on the adventure with them. We even passed through a room filled with winged keys before reaching the final climatic area. Now, to truly understand magic, we must look deeper into the fairy memories that shape us. Our journey ends here in the Pensieve, a basin filled with swirling memories. Here, light and sound surround you, pulling you into visions of the past. It's a reflective and moving way to close the experience, reminding us that memories, both magical and human, shape who we are. It's calm, powerful, and the perfect ending of the adventure. As you leave the Pensieve, the magic continues in the shop filled with exclusive memorabilia, wands, ropes, and enchanted keepsakes to take home. Right at the entrance, you'll find a kiosk where you can view and purchase photos taken before your journey. The merchandise reflects the magical themes you've just experienced, such as an exclusive night bus bundle, black family trees, umbrellas, bottles and scarves, wanted criminal t-shirts, fantastic beast figurines, and more. Each Hogwarts house has its own collection too, from cuddly mascots plushies to stylish modernized hoodies. Slytherin slithers with the snake. Ravenclaw soars with the raven. Hufflepuff proudly stands with the badger. And Gryffindor roars with the lion. You'll also find adorable Hedwig themed items that are hard to resist. Just look at all these collectibles. There's even Butterbeer inspired merchandise. And of course, no visiting adventure is complete without sipping on a frothy glass of the iconic drink itself. And if you got a sweet tooth, the treats are just as enchanting. House-themed macarons and cupcakes, a mischievous niffler cake pop, decadent brownies, and even Hagrid-inspired macarons. And just like that, 60 minutes of magic comes to a close. Harry Potter Visions of Magic Asian premiere in Singapore is more than an exhibition. It's an invitation to step into the unseen, to feel the thrill of discovery, and to let your imagination transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Would you dare to step inside and uncover the unseen magic? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe so you won't miss any adventures. Until next time, mischief managed.